You in first gear, buddy? That's another fine fix you've gotten us in, Brother Miley.
You are the one who said that we were coming up the waterfall. I didn't choose this.
You really didn't.
Somehow it will get pinned on me.
Oh yeah.
Man, I found my clutch.
Go, 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 go!
There you.
Alright, I know what I gotta do now.
Don't wimp out halfway up.
Yep, exactly.
See if that mine was making a strange sound, Brian. Now don't let up on the gas till you get to here. I told you, Brian led us here.
Come on! No, I'll get it. I'm not the one who chose it. I'll get it. I'll get the third time's a charm.
Ken, don't let up on your gas till you get to me.
Hey! John, is it gonna hit the bottom?
We'll lift yours up.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit the bottom.
We'll lift yours up.
If I fly up it.
Yeah.
You gotta scrape the bottom?
We're gonna lift yours up just to be sure.
I don't have a damn thing. Third time's a charm. Watch out, Terry. I'm not guarantee where I'm gonna go here.
Now don't let up on the gas till you get to me. There you go. Excellent.